the away maker on my helmet. Driving is fun again.
Hey, Bert, check this out. The Super Duper Mega Store is the largest supplier of everything in the tri-state area. I know what we're going to do today.
Well, I'm going to buy Jeremy a gift. It's the anniversary of the very first time Jeremy and I went to Slushy Burger. He spilled a cheese dog on me and mustard got all over the place. He was so sweet.
Tough one. I don't think I got the card for that. So, Mom, what are you thinking at the store?
I need a 25-pound tub of mayonnaise and 80 pounds of potatoes to make potato salad for the fridge cook.
Wow, that's a lot of potato salad.